Beat him up. Stand up, beat him up. Get him good.
That's my nose. Don't hit my nose. Alright, that's enough. I can't take too much of that.
Look at me.
He does the double whammy.
Whammy arms up.
No way, dude, because I'm not letting you beat on me. I don't want you to beat on me anymore.
Yeah, I'm died.
No way that fist would have connected.
Oh, play on.
No way, I'm not putting them down for you to beat on me. You're crazy. Ow! Oh, that freaking hurt.